Meta. I've been thinking a lot about Meta, and here's the thing. I've been counting this as like a big B wave, right? And the problem with this being a giant B wave is it's just too vertical. Let me try and remove some of this so you can see it. Let me look at it on like a weekly chart. Usually when you see the vertical move, that's a five-wave move. And I've been talking to Beth about it, like, could Meta put in some major bottom right here, and then we're getting five up, three down, which would make a higher low, and then we take off. And they are making moves in AI, so it's potential. So it's one that we are, I mean, just based off this, simply put, I mean, one, two, three, four, and it looks like we're getting this five-wave push right here, this final fifth wave, which I believe would take us to the 383, potentially a double top scenario.